Hi everyone, welcome to Let's Get Employment. This video is for all the fresher candidates who are looking for jobs. If you are a fresher, so stay tuned and watch this video till the end. But before that, do comment your educational qualifications and the job role you are looking for. So let's jump into the video and talk about our first job opening. First job role is of graduate trainee engineer from the company Siemens Energy. Location is Gurugram, Haryana. Qualifications required for this role are: you should be a passionate individual with an intent to learn new technology. You must have done your graduation in engineering or equivalent knowledge, that is MCA. You must have some programming background, C++, Java, Python, C#, etc. You must possess good communication and analytical skills. There are some must-have skills: strong reasoning and problem-solving skills, ability to develop program solutions in C, C++, Java, C#, Python or other programming languages, knowledge of any relational databases and familiar with SQL queries, willingness to learn new technologies. If you are eligible for this, click on the apply button. Then this page will open. Here, click on the apply button. If you are a first-time applicant of Siemens Energy, you need to create your profile. If you have applied on Siemens Energy before, then you can just log in with your email and password. After signing in here, fill the application form and submit it. Second job is from the company WVA Consulting Engineers Private Limited. Role is structural engineering intern. Location is Kochi, Kerala. Qualifications required for this role are bachelor's degree in civil engineering or structural engineering from an accredited institution, strong technical and analytical skills, excellent communication and teamwork skills, ability to work independently and manage multiple tasks simultaneously. Freshers are welcome to apply. If you are eligible for this, click on this easy apply button, fill the application form and submit it. Third job is from the company MyWays. Role is lead generation intern. Location is remote, that is work from home. Here are the job responsibilities which are mentioned here. Compensation you will get, that is stipend of 2 to 3K per month, certificate of completion, LOA and LinkedIn recommendation, performance based, 3 months duration, extended on mutual interest. If you are eligible for this, click on the apply button. Then this Google form will open. Fill this form and then submit it. Fourth job is from the company EduLab Group. Role is sales and marketing intern and full-time employed. Location is Pune, Maharashtra. We are looking for a passionate freshers who are eager to learn and ready to get into a corporate world. Location is Pune. Qualifications are MBA, BBA, BCOM. Should be excellent in communication. Should be willing to learn and adapt to new things. Excellent knowledge in Excel and data analysis. You will get an opportunity to identify business opportunities, managing email campaigns, generating sales leads and field visits. If you are eligible for this, click on this easy apply button, fill the application form and submit it. Our last job for today is from the company Live Connections. Role is voice process. Location is Bangalore, Karnataka. They are hiring freshers looking for voice process, customer care, work experience is fresher, any degree. Work from office is there and it's an immediate joining. If you are interested for this, share your resume to this email ID anasurya.r@liveconnection.in, and also they have mentioned their WhatsApp number. You can share your resume here also. And after that, click on this easy apply button, fill the application form and submit it. These were 5 job openings for today. Now let's jump into our bonus job opening. It's from the company Thought Focus. Role is process associate. Location is Mysuru, Karnataka. A great opportunity for all fresh candidates. Qualifications required for this role are BBA, BCOM, BCA, BE, BSc, BA or diploma, no backlogs or any degree. Background and competency, looking for freshers who can join immediately. Interview is walk-in here. They have mentioned the full address here. You can contact at this number also. If you are eligible for this, click on this easy apply button, fill the application form and submit it. You can find the link in the description and apply for this job roles. All the best, and if video helpful lagi ho to video ko like kijiye, share it with your friends, and for more latest job updates, channel ko subscribe kijiye. Thanks for watching this video.